Hello everyone. Today I will tell you something about economic and political structure of Mauryan period. In pre-Mauryan period, the economy of Ganga Valley was based on agriculture. It was a permanent settlement as it against the nomadism of pastoralists. This was a natural step after the forest spread over Ganga Valley. Mean to say earlier, the man's life was totally dependent upon rearing of animals, hunting, fruit collections, and etc. But during Mauryan period, the agriculture was too much developed. That is why this is known as that this was a first natural step after the forest spread over Ganga Valley. This in turn means the tax on agriculture. This in turn facilitated the administrative system. The land review is the basic source of state income of that time. During Mauryan period, revenue or taxes were imposed on agricultural product. The expansion of agrarian economy accelerated the realization of single predominant economy. Single predominant economy means there was only a source of income, that was revenue or the taxes that is imposed on the agricultural product, which further facilitated the introduction of taxes. Mean to say other taxes were also imposed, but they were later on. Earlier, only the land revenue was the only source of income of that time. The coastal area are also depend on natural mine trade. The coastal area depend upon marine trade, mean to say the coastal areas are also used for the trading purpose of that time. Coastal areas became one of the most important area of economy. The collection of revenue from the various sources means the appointment of series of officials at various stages, because the collection of revenue was not a easy job. That is why the king or the other authorities had to appoint different labeled authorities to collect, or the officials to collect the revenue time to time. The appointment of various officials of various stages, it is a complex bureaucratic system. But with the introduction of land revenue or the sources of income, salary system was also comes to play or also introduced. This is introduced only after the economic development. Salaries were recorded in panas. Pana is a currency of that time. Just as the chief minister of that time near about got 45,000 panas. The upper officers were important to the political system. Also, it was very firm. It was very firm and strict that the payment being in cash or in kind, but not by any gift. So, at that time, the revenue or the taxes is paid cash, not in any form of gift. King deals directly with the question of reduction of taxes. There are many examples at that time, at the time of Ashoka. Okay, Ashoka gave some relaxation in the taxes at Gaya or any other places which belongs to Buddhism of but that was a particular center of Buddhism at that time. At that time, Ashoka kept some reduction in taxes. At that time, it means to say the king directly deals with the question of reduction of taxes. There was also a existence of slave, which would appear as labor power. Slaves were also comes to play at that time. Earlier there was also slaves, but in the Mauryan period there were also slaves, or mean to say forced labor. There was also evidence of hired labor, known as batakas and karmakaras. Forced labor and the slaves of that time also be in the practice for the economic development. Have a nice day.